The SCP Foundation is a fictional secret organization documented by the collaborative writing wiki project of the same name. Within the website's shared universe, the Foundation is responsible for capturing and containing various paranormal, supernatural, and other mysterious phenomena unexplained by mainstream science, known as anomalies or SCPs, while also keeping their existence hidden from the rest of global human society. On the SCP Wiki, the majority of works consist of thousands of SCP files, short for Special Containment Procedures, which are confidential quasi-scientific reports that document an SCP object and the means of keeping it contained. The website also contains Foundation Tales, which are short stories featuring various characters and settings in the SCP universe. The fiction centers around the findings and activities of the SCP Foundation. The Foundation is an international secret society, consisting of a scientific research institution with a paramilitary intelligence agency to support their goals. Despite its secretive premise, the Foundation is entrusted by governments around the world to capture and contain various unexplained phenomena that defy the known laws of nature. They include living beings and creatures, artifacts and objects, locations and places, abstract concepts, and incomprehensible entities which display supernatural abilities or other extremely unusual properties. If left uncontained, many of the more dangerous anomalies will pose a serious threat to humans or even all life on Earth. Their existence is hidden and withheld from the general public in order to prevent mass hysteria and allow human civilization to continue functioning normally. SCP-055 is something that causes anyone who examines it to forget its various characteristics, thus making it indescribable except in terms of what it is not. These are examples of contained SCPs. SCP-087 is a staircase that appears to descend forever. 6. The staircase is inhabited by SCP-087-1, which is described as a face without a mouth, pupils or nostrils. The sound of a child crying is also omnipresent, but the source is unknown. Descending the stairs has no effect on the cry's volume, despite them seemingly originating from the bottom of the stairwell. SCP-173 is a humanoid statue composed of rebar, concrete, and Krylon spray paint. 5. It is stationary when directly observed, but it attacks people and snaps their neck when the line of sight with it is broken. It is extremely fast, to the point where it can move multiple meters while the observer is blinking. SCP-3008 is an IKEA retail store that has an infinite interior space with no outer physical bounds, causing prospective customers to be trapped inside the building after they become lost within its associated pocket dimension. SCP-3008's interior, dubbed SCP. SCP-3008-1 contains a rudimentary civilization formed by those customers who are forced to survive and defend themselves against hostile creatures known as SCP-3008-2, tall, faceless humanoids wearing IKEA employee uniforms that become violently aggressive towards all humans during the dimension's simulation of night, in which its lights go out. 10. Thanks for watching. For more, stay tuned.